is your Samsung Touch issue. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung Touch issues step by step. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart. This fixes most temporary touch glitches instantly. Step 2. Clean the screen and remove accessories. Next, clean your screen properly with a soft microfiber cloth. Remove your screen protector and phone case. Sometimes these accessories cause touch problems. After removing, test the touch. Step 3. Adjust touch sensitivity. Go to Settings, tap on Display, then find and toggle touch sensitivity. Turn it on if you use a screen protector, or turn it off if you don't use one. Also enable accidental touch protection. Step 4. Safe Mode Test. If the problem continues, boot your phone in safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then long press on Restart and tap Safe Mode. If touch works fine in safe mode, a third-party app is causing the issue. Step 5. Update software. Finally, check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap on Software Update, then download and install. Updates often fix touch-related bugs. If nothing works, it might be a hardware problem and you should visit a Samsung service center. Like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.